Yeah, so guys, as you can see, no cap on this website, people are making as high as $4,212 as writers on this website. As you can see, these are their ID numbers. They are top writers on this website. So they are writing about 290 pages in a month, like 290 books in a month or articles in a month, and they are making about $4,000. This particular person is making 2006, depending on your niche, depending on the type of article you are writing. The name of this website is beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. As you all know, I love using my phone to record my videos. So I'm out here on an open whatever. I'm trying to just do a small video to help my subscribers on how to make money, because I know I have a lot of writers on this platform. On this street, you must make that money. So I did my research and I came across this website. This particular website pays writers in dollars, and you can sign up from anywhere you are in the world. As you can see, the name of this website is prowriterstime.com. You can just type in pro writers time and it will bring you to this website, pro writers time. As you can see, pro writer, WRITERS, then time, TIME. As you can see, this is what the website looks like. We're clicking on it. It will be the first or second link once you type in prowriters.com. So now guys, this I'm coming, let me show you guys so that you will be able to see it very well. Okay, yeah, so you'll be able to see it very well. This is how the website looks like. It is a freelance writing job website where you can create your profile, and you have to, pass their test and start before you start earning. So their test is just for you to write article. But let's just go ahead and check out the website. So here it says, why us? The registration is free. They are not charging you anything. The registration is free. They are not charging you anything. They have constant flow of orders. Like, a lot of people are signed up on this website. A lot of people are looking for writers using this website. High wages, like they pay a high rate compared to some other platform, and regular payment. Their payment is regularly. It's not today then you receive another one maybe after like 6 months. No. Flexible working hours. It means that you can work at your own pace. Live support, 247 live support. It means that if you have any issue at whatever time you have the issue, they will always attend to you. Now look at the salary. The salary you can earn per month. These are for writers. These are their salary. The first person here is earning $4,000. The second person 2,000. The third person 2,000. And the last person $2,000. So as you can see, it says currently we are in search of native English speaker for orders that are to be completed by writers whose first language is English. Writers with English as a second language, that will be plus if you are proficient in the following industries. So what they are just saying here is we as Nigerians, we have second, like we are writers with second language. Like, English is our second language as Nigerians. So we are just going to sign up saying that English is our second language. And if you have any of these additional, will I say, knowledge or additional certificate or additional field in this industry, it is okay. If you study English, you know that English 101 is part of your course, whether you like it or not. And if you're an engineering student, a statistics student, or a medical student, you can as well sign up on this website. These are what their writers are saying. Sarah is saying your support team is awesome. They never jump into conclusion without analyzing a situation carefully. So they have other people. Rahul, you guys know by the name sef, you know that it's either Indian or China. But I think it's Indian. Now I can manage my personal time better. I can work wherever I want and still receive good money. India doesn't speak English as their first language. If you like, go to anywhere you are in the world, they don't speak English as their first language. So for this guy to survive well on this website and make money on this website, it means anybody from anywhere can make money. So, Kira, this is a great company. Thanks to ProWriter.com, I can afford to receive a master's degree. So, this particular lady is using her money on this website to sponsor her master's degree. Oh, wow, large. So, the next person here is Shira. As you can see, yeah, there are a whole lot of them that are on this website that you can sign up on. And here I like, it said, don't waste your time, start your freelance writing career now. For those of you that are probably fans of Writers Gig, and because I know some of us are having issues with Writers Gig, and I know some of us are making money with Writers Gig. If you're making money with Writers Gig, hooray, congratulations. If you're having problems with Writers Gig, it is also okay. You can come and sign up on this website. Even if you are making money on Writers Gig, you can still sign up using this same website. All you just need to do is to click on this register button. As you can see, their statistics shows that 65%, that is the amount of writers, the percentage of writers they have on their website that do not work on other platform, which means those websites are satisfied with the amount they make on this website. So he said, freelance academic writing jobs online. Let's not stress this one too much. All you just need to do to start your registration process is to put in your email. You scroll down and then you put in your email, and then you click on start registration. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I'll just put you guys through all this registration whatever, and we get done with it. So the first thing here on there is your first name, your last name, your gender, female. You select your country. They accept people from all over the world. If you see a list of countries whenever you're applying from an application, and you see them include the full list, it means that they accept people from, if not all the countries, but almost all. You understand? So we are just going to click on Nigeria here. If you see those that accept restricted areas, you see them, maybe they have like UK, Canada, and US. You understand? They have like UK, Canada, and US. They don't accept from all over the world. They don't accept from all over the world. But as you can see, this one gives us all the country name. You choose your city, your email, then your email address. You put in an alternative email address, just like a recovery email address, in case something happens to your account. The next one is you type your password, you type your phone number. This website accept Nigerians because, as you can see, it is +234 already. It says, have you ever worked for any other online academic assistance company? I would advise you input yes. Are you available 247? If you don't have a job, input yes. If you do, input no, because they said they have flux of orders waiting. So what citation style are you familiar with? So you need to choose your citation style. I think Nigeria use MLA, or particular MLA is particular with Nigerians. I'm not sure, but you can browse citation styles. Citation styles are, I think, the writing formats. I've forgotten, but I know this stuff before. So now I advise you choose MLA, or you browse it and choose anyone you want. And if you're not sure, just browse it and choose right citation styles for Nigeria. What is your native language? You choose your native language. I will advise you write your native language. If it's Yoruba, you write Yoruba. If it's Hausa, you write Hausa. What other languages do you know? Then you write English, you write Spanish, you write French. So me particularly, I will choose my native language as Yoruba, and I'll come back here and write, or what other languages do you know? I'll pick English and I'll pick French. French is very common amongst Nigerians, or amongst Nigerians. What languages can you write academic papers in? Choose English, French, and others. That is the best advice I can give you. English, French, and others. What is your highest variable academic degree? I'll choose degree. Let's just see what options we have: bachelor's, master's, associate, PhD. I bet master's or bachelor's. Anyone you want. What discipline are you proficient in? Please, here. Write, choose the disciplines that you know that you can write about, maybe like three, four, or five, any amount you can choose. So you just be ticking it and ticking it, just go through it. The next one here, I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'm trying to short it. Next one here is, what are the spheres of your specialization? Now, our advice, if you're a beginner, I will advise you choose on academic paper or admission papers, because if you're going to be choosing dissertation, I think it's for people doing PhD or so. So I advise you just choose academic papers. What right additional software or programming languages are you familiar with? Java programming is the common one in Nigeria. Java programming. So about me, you can just write little information about me. I'm a writer that has written for some online website. Okay, you can just put it like this. So you can just put it like this. I'm a graduate of literature, and I am by name Uluwakemi, and I'm a graduate of literature. A professional writer that has written for online websites and offline newspaper companies. I've written for websites like Legit NG, Opera News. Just fixing something, include some, serere. It's not all CV that are true. That's the truth. A lot of us have some places we have worked in our CV that don't even exist. So just, put it in about 400 characters. Then how did you hear about us? You can type in orders, you can type in recommendation. Those are the best. Okay, Google ad as well, you can type it in. Then you input these edit numbers. You write these numbers that you're seeing on the screen, and you click on this agree button and you submit. You understand? But before you sign up on this website, please sit down and write this your about me very well. Like,